Regardless of what religion if anyone practices, it cannot be denied that there is one thing responsible for the continued existence of life on Earth, and rises and sets itself every day. Without the sun, we would have lived, but just because it allows us to exist does not mean that it cannot cause a bit of trouble from time to time. At the moment, the sun is doing something scientists did not really expect, and some are struggling to find an explanation. During the last few days, the massive sunspots on the surface of the sun have made their presence felt here on Earth. The spots, which appear as dark regions on the surface of the star, are areas where the sun's complex magnetic fields affect its outer layer, and point to the possibility of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. When these sun particles reach Earth, they can cause serious problems with communications satellites and even make life a little more dangerous for astronauts living in orbit. Sunspots and solar flares are something we have come to expect from the sun, but their this time is of particular interest and some argue, a concern for scientists. This is because the sun is approaching its solar minimum, which is the lower end of its 11-year cycle of activity in which events like solar flares and CMEs should be an extremely rare occurrence. When ascending, when the sun reaches its solar maximum, researchers wait in these events, but this is not the case right now.